The Great East Japan earthquake was the largest magnitude ever recorded in Japan and the third largest in the world since 1900. It occurred 45 miles off the coast. But the 15-meter-high tsunami that followed was more destructive than the earthquake itself, destroying many Japanese cities and ultimately causing the deaths of over 19,000 people.
津波被害がひどかったから、地震だけだったらいいけども津波がひどかった。津波さえなければ原発事故もなかった。
Gosh, it's my worst nightmare. I used to have nightmares about it when I was little. Why did I know the word tsunami when I was 5?
At the same time that the tsunami swept away towns and cities, it also had a devastating impact on the Daiichi nuclear power plant located on Japan's eastern seaboard. The tsunami destroyed the plant's power supply and cooling systems, causing the reactor's cores to overheat and partially melt down. Explosions damaged the reactor buildings and released radiation into the air and ocean. 150,000 people were forced to evacuate the area, and a 20-kilometer exclusion zone was established around the site.
ここからが原発被災地。ここがもうみんな、人間がゼロになった。みんな避難してゼロになった放射能エリア。
So all these houses are empty.
We've brought a Geiger counter with us to see the radiation levels for ourselves.
58,
58, is that the record for today?
0.58 microsieverts per hour. Background radiation for the rest of Japan is between 0.17 and 0.39 per hour, so it's slightly raised here.
Oh!
Welcome back.
What were those bags that we just passed?
あれが除染した土を集めた放射線廃棄物のゴミバッグ。
Oh my gosh, it's just left there.
It's left on the side of the road.
Oh, there's some
Right.
more. Whoa.
あれ、
Yeah.
プレコンバッグ。放射能。
Is this an area that may have particularly high radiation and possibly
Okay.
more dangerous?
Yes.
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 Yeah.
ここから先、帰還困難区域につき立ち入り禁止。あれも同じね。はい。だこれから入っちゃダメよと。
Oh my gosh. Oh.
What
is it?
やばい。
What is it?
92.
92. I mean, it is 0.92, so just...
No, it's 92.
190 would definitely be something to worry about. I think 0.92 is still...
It's 0.92, that's the max. 0.92. Just hit there.
That is a lot higher than anywhere else. That's maybe like 3 times as high as normal average background radiation in the rest of the country.
No.
Oh my gosh. We're not able to go inside, are we?
Yes, stop. Yes, okay.
Okay. Okay, 131. Not too bad.
Yeah. Come back.
Come and hold it near these bags. I've got my bag on.
Yeah.
It's gone over 1.04.
That's the highest level so far, 1.04. Any higher and we'll have to move away from this area.
ここは福島県浪江町。浪江町。ね。ここは放射能が全部飛んできたんで、福島原発がある隣の町が、ここが福島県の浪江町。で、ここには原発はないんだけども、爆発した時の放射能が全部こっちに来ちゃって、人が住めなくなって、全員が避難。人口はゼロ。なんでみんな家をそのまま置き去りにして避難したから、13年前のままなんです、ここは。で、少しここ道路とかは一応除染して、まあ今一応人が戻れるようになってるんだけど。
It's a shop.
Shop.
Okay. Kiln mouth. Is this pottery? Yeah, there's a kiln in here. This is like a ceramics shop.
Be the worst sort of shop you could have in the middle of an earthquake, isn't it? So, you can go in.
Oh, okay.
Careful.
Dangerous.
3.5 at the moment.
Yeah.
Like the rest of the area, the shop is totally untouched from 13 years ago when the earthquake struck.
So 2:46, the earthquake happened. This clock says 2:47.
Does it? Shut up.
No, it does.
No. That's so eerie. The earthquake hit in the afternoon at 2:46 p.m. And that clock, this clock here in this abandoned shop, it says 2:47. Why has that sent a chill up my spine? I mean, it's obvious as to why, but that's crazy. There's something so profoundly frightening about that.
Is it a gun?
Is there a gun? Don't play with guns, Steve.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Fire.
Great. Nice little souvenir.
Yeah.
Wow. There's a diary just on the ground. Can you see? Right there. Look what looks like that is a diary, yeah.
There's one here as well.
There's someone's whole life.
I'm surprised that they haven't come back to sort of retrieve
Yeah.
anything valuable. There's a fax machine or an old phone, just business cards.
Yeah.
Or
It's just like everything's littered. Photographs.
a printer.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. Wouldn't you come back and grab?
I honestly, if considering what happened, the amount of radiation, I'd be like, I'm not going to chance that. But you take your shoes off before going inside the house. And so there's just lots of shoes. Oh, I started bleeping.
Ooh.
Just have a look and see what number it is.
It's 98, 92, but I think it just went to 1 because it was bleeping.
Okay, step forward again then.
Point 10.
Oof. That must have been that last one then.
Okay, that is too high for us to remain. Time to leave.